Hi, we're going to read I Got the Rhythm, written by Connie Schofield Morrison and illustrated by Frank Morrison, and published by Scholastic Incorporated. This book is about a girl who expresses rhythm using her body as she and her mom walk around their community. Today, we're going to notice all the places she goes in the story that have music and movement. Let's read it. I Got the Rhythm. There she is. Looks like they are right outside their apartment where they live. I thought of a rhythm in my mind. Think, think. Looks like they're just walking down the street right outside their apartment. I heard the rhythm with my ears. Beat, beat. Looks like they're just walking in their community, their neighborhood. I looked at the rhythm with my eyes. Blink, blink. Just looking at that butterfly and blinking, winking. I smelled the rhythm with my nose. Sniff, sniff. Ooh, looks like they are sniffing at that cupcake stand in her neighborhood. I like cupcakes. Yummy. I sang the rhythm with my mouth. Ooh la la. Looks like she's just outside in her community. I caught the rhythm with my hands. Clap, clap. Looks like they're outside a building in her community. I kept the rhythm with my fingers. Snap, snap. Now, right now, it almost looks like they're outside of a building that could be a school. I'm not sure. But then it looks like they might be at a playground somewhere in her community, in her neighborhood. I shook the rhythm with my hips. Shake, shake. Looks like fun. I felt the rhythm with my knees. Knock, knock. I walked the rhythm with my feet. Stomp, stomp. I tapped the rhythm with my toes. Tip, tap. I danced to the rhythm of a drum. Beat, bop. I clapped and snapped. I tipped and tapped. I popped and locked. I hipped and hopped. Beep, bop, bing, bang. Boom, boom, boom. All of those people in her community. Boom, box, beep, bop, kaboom, kaboom. I got the rhythm and you can too. The end. So now I want you to think about where you experience movement in your community. In the story, the little girl was in her neighborhood, walking around outside. Maybe it was near, like, maybe it was near a park or a school, okay? But it was in her neighborhood, in her community. So now I want you to think about, where do you experience movement and rhythm? Is it at home? Is it at church? Is it at a community center? Where? Thanks for listening.